My name is Professor Mrs. Juliana Amaka Ugwu, currently a research professor of forest entomology and head of crop production technology department at the Federal College of Forestry, Ibadan, Forestry Research Institute of Nigeria. I was born in a village, a small village called Olido in Enugu in Enugu State, Nigeria. I am the third child of my parents out of 9 children. I attended both primary and secondary education in Enugu State, precisely in Enugu. And I was motivated to study science subjects in senior secondary school due to the regard and recognition that are accorded to students that read sciences. So that was my motivation that made me to go into science subjects in my secondary school. I attended the University of Ibadan. My first degree was in zoology, BS Zoology, after which I proceeded for my master's degree in the Department of Crop Protection and Environmental Biology, where I obtained MSc in Agricultural Entomology. And then I did not stop there. I proceeded for my PhD immediately after my master's degree and obtained PhD in forest entomology, all from the University of Ibadan. As an entomologist, the most interesting part of my work is the application of ecological and environment-friendly approach in the pest management of fruits and vegetables in order to enhance food security. The excessive use of chemical pesticides has actually done so much harm to the society, and that was why I picked interest in focusing my research on environmental approach in pest management. And through my research, I have actually synthesized and screened so many natural plants for their insecticidal properties, and they are quite effective. And we have actually made so many recommendations. Some have been adopted while some have not been adopted. So it touches me, and that is why I'm still focusing in that area to see that one day the use of chemical pesticides in Nigeria during crop production will be minimized to a certain level. Because looking at what is going on, most of the food we consume in the country are contaminated with a lot of pesticide residues, and these are injurious to human health. And oftentimes you see a lot of reports about food poisoning. All these are associated with chemicals that are used in crop production in order to protect their crop from pests and diseases. What is motivating me is that I see human race being endangered day by day, and the use of chemical pesticide is on increase. Farmers are not yet enlightened. They are not ready to adopt other measures of pest control, and so in the process of food production, they really do a lot of harm. In fact, if you go to the northern side of the country, you see farmers, after harvesting their food, in order to protect them from stored pests, they apply dangerous and hazardous chemicals directly on the crop, and they will not mind the effect of it to the humans. They will just bring it out to the markets for sale in order to make their money. And this has been a lot of my concern. It's a lot of concern to me. How can this be stopped? So I keep on researching on areas where we can do pest control using environmental approach. So that is my motivation, to see that food that is produced in Nigeria are safe for human consumption and environment are being protected. Thank you.